Here he comes. Oh, did you crash? Come on, Thomas, let's go. Oh, you want to come back in the kitchen with us? You want to come back in the kitchen with us? Oh dear, he's on his way. Oh no, let's go back in the living room, huh? It's no fun in here, huh? Come with us? Whoops. Oh no, you're too close. Come on in. How was that?